Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge without condensed milk. We'll cover a simple, delicious method using common pantry items. You'll learn the essential ingredients, the step-by-step cooking process, and helpful tips for perfect results every time. Get ready to create creamy, homemade fudge that everyone will love without needing any condensed milk. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of milk or cream. Don't forget 1/4 cup of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These simple items are all you need to create a delightful batch of homemade fudge. First, combine the sugar, cocoa, milk, and butter in a heavy saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Continue cooking until a candy thermometer reads 234 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from heat, add vanilla, and beat vigorously until the fudge thickens and loses its shiny appearance, about 5 minutes. For best results, always use a candy thermometer to ensure the correct temperature. Once the fudge is ready, pour it into a buttered 8x8-inch pan. You can customize your fudge by adding 1 cup of chopped nuts or dried fruit. Store your delicious homemade fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.